Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Payda and today's video is going to be another Zara haul. I have got some beautiful pieces recently, and we're just going to go through them, talk about the fabric composition and whether they're worth the actual money in this Zara haul. And I'm also going to show you how I'm going to style some of the pieces. The dress that I'm wearing is fabulous. It is from the brand M. I recently found out about them, maybe like last year, but recently I've been buying so many of her dresses. They're just so unique and beautiful. They are on the pricey side. However, sometimes it's nice to support yourself. But I have two of these dresses in the color pink and I'm selling the other one. So if you are interested, I'll put a link to my Vinted and Depop and you'll see some of the other pieces that I'm wanting to give a new home. But without further ado, let's get to what we're here for, the Zara haul. This dress looked amazing on the website and it's really nice on. However, this is where Zara annoys me with their quality. The dress is £55, 100% polyester. Not the greatest, but okay, we know it's Zara. And it looks really nice and it feels nice, but the buttons are really weird. Like, it's a bit of a struggle to get the buttons on and off. I just showed you my bra. Don't tell my mom. But the buttons were a little bit on this. I don't know, it felt like it was a bit of a struggle to get them on and off the hole. And it's like frailing as well on the hole. And if you can see, there's like a loose stitch here. So it's like little pet peeves, but yeah, the dress is really nice. I love the belt as well. The belt detail is so cute. What happens if I do this? Okay, that goes under. I like that you can like decide how much you want to like put it in. I would personally wear this like coming into summertime, spring. You put a light jacket on, or you could wear it in summer because the UK summer is not really that hot. And you know, I don't know what kind of shoes I would wear because this is not like a pure gold and it's not really rose gold either. It's not the best kind of looking gold colour, I have to be honest. I'm kind of falling out of love with this dress. I think it's a no for me personally. It looks great online and it looks okay in person, but I don't think I pull this dress off really well. Like, and I know it's bad because I shouldn't compare it to a M dress because most of the dresses are like £300, £200. You expect amazing quality, but I don't know, I'm not vibing this dress, so it's going to be a no. But I'll show you the back. It's cute, but not for me. I love it. This is the Zara that I love. This is so nice. It feels amazing. It looks amazing. I could dress it up. I could dress it down. I'll probably wear it with my leather boots. And I'll just wear it out. Doing errands, I could go to like coffee, I could go anywhere, go to Costco, I could go for a meal out. I like these versatile dresses and I like the fact that this is something that you can wear in the future. Like, stripes patterns are never going to go out. They've been around for ages, they're going to still be around. It is £50 on the pricier side. I think in general Zara prices have been going up. We know everything's been going up. But I do think this is really nice and worth it. I've been looking for a knit dress. I had one from River Island, but I wasn't in love with it. It was like a cardigan one, and I wanted this stripe one. I was struggling to breathe. I have like another one from M, but I don't know if I can afford another $250 at this rate. So I think this is a really good middle ground, and you would get a lot of use. I think you could also travel in this as well. I don't know about you, but I do like traveling in dresses just to be a bit loose and relaxed, especially on a long flight. I just want to, and a stretchy dress because you just want to be able to, you know, move around and have that, just a great degree of movement. So what did I say about the price? I think I said it was £50. So it's, yeah, $49.99. I got this in a size small. Love it. It's gorgeous. I'm pretty sure it's going to be polyester, but I'll take it off and then let you know what it is. In my honest opinion, I think a white shirt is a must need for any wardrobe, and I don't think you should cheap out on one if you have the capability to. I would say invest in a good quality 100% cotton white shirt, like from a really good brand. I can't think of one on the top of my head. I wouldn't really say Zara, because a lot of theirs is just a bit cheap. This one reminds me of the ones I used to wear in school. You remember those like white shirts I used to wear? I used to wear them. I don't know if everyone used. I think most people wore white shirts and a blazer, right, in the UK, yeah. But this is just to kind of show you an outfit. I would not recommend this one. £23 is not worth it. I think it's better to spend, you know, £50, £70, maybe even 100 from a better brand. I'm trying to think of one. Hobbs is generally quite good. Jigsaw. The problem is I can't just say any brand because it doesn't mean that they'll have good quality. But if you can find one that's 100% cotton and like you like the look of it and very feminine, I would say just buy one good white shirt. You don't need multiple. And then you just kind of style them with different things, like the skirt if you wanted to. It's an idea, you don't have to like it. But I do like these Zara print skirts. I know they're very, on the more side, trendy, but I think this style has been around for a little while and I think it's really, really pretty. Simple skirt. I think I got this in a size medium, if I'm correct, and it's £32. I have put on a bit of weight, so medium is loose, as you can see for me on the waist, but it's perfect around the hips. It is a really short skirt. Depends how comfortable you are. You could pull it down, to be honest, and just wear it a bit looser, a bit lower. Shirt is a no. Skirt, it's a trendy piece. £32 I think is a bit much to spend on a skirt when you compare like something like the dress that I just tried on. I forgot to get the fabric. So I would say wait for the sale for this if you like it. The shirt, no, don't get it from Zara, but the skirt, if you do like it, wait for the sale. It's not worth it right now. You can get it in the summer sale. So as I said, the white shirt is an essential, so you can just pop it on with some nice jeans. Remember, I don't like this one, but it's all about how we're going to style things. I don't actually own a nice white shirt, which is why I can't show you one from my wardrobe. I myself actually need to buy one, but it's not going to be this one. But I got this like little coat from Zara, 35 or 36 pounds. It's not going to keep you warm, let's be honest. It's not like a cashmere or wool coat that's going to really keep you warm on those cold days. It's more of a, it's a little bit chilly outside. Let me wear a coat. 100% polyester. That dress, the striped one, was 67% viscose, 33% polyester. So they are trying. But this is like how I would style, a different way to style the shirt, and pop on this jacket, a bit of colour. Now you could like sexify it, take down a button. Oops. The shirt is a bit long to kind of put underneath my jeans. I think it's going to be a bit lumpy, but I'll try. Oh my gosh, my flying's undone. But yeah, this is like another idea. As I said, it's not going to keep you super warm with the jacket. It's just more when like those days where it's a little bit chilly, you can't just wear a shirt. But yeah, this is how I would just personally wear it. Something cute, fun, you know, just always look nice. And the thing is with me, I've decided from now on, I want to be extra all the time. Like I feel like we have this thing of you shouldn't really dress up to do basic things like shopping and stuff, but you have one life and I have beautiful clothes. If I want to wear a nice dress to just do my weekly food shop, I'm going to do it, you know, or just or go to the post office or just take out the bin. I love clothes and I love looking good. It's not really for anyone else but myself, just to feel good, you know, just taking a little time to make myself look pretty. So this is a nice little outfit if you still want to look cute but don't want to be like OTT. Pockets are real, which is nice. You can always pop your card in there, or like someone to store your phone if you like want to have your hands free. I like it. Do I want to keep it? I don't know. I need to watch my video back because I can't see myself in my outfits, so sometimes I have to sit and watch my video, or I have to go to the other room and look at the mirror and then be like, oh yeah, I really like it. But there are certain pieces that I can just put on and look down and be like, I know that's a keeper. Like that striped dress is a keeper. I can just tell it's gonna look good on me. But then sometimes I do watch my videos back and I'm like, actually I don't really like the way it looks on me. But I think that striped dress is a keeper. Now another combo with this shirt. As I was saying, the white shirt does so much. This is an outfit that you could wear to an interview or just to the workplace. At the end of the day, we all want our money, so some of us need to go to some new interviews to get a little bit more dough in our pocket so we can shop at Zara. But yeah, you know, to go to the workplace, you want to feel comfortable, you want to be relaxed. What I like about these trousers, one, they have pockets, and two, it's an elastic back. And I really like elastic backs for, you know, the curvy girls who've got a small waist but a little bit more extra on the hips in the rear. So I think this is a really nice style because it just allows a bit more flexibility for those different types of body shapes, because not all women look the same and it just works with all body shape types. I have kind of put this shirt underneath here, which is why it looks a bit lumpy here. Again, this shirt is not something that I would recommend. If Zara does do one, look for one that's 100% cotton. I'll have a look myself, but sometimes I struggle. Or something that's silk, if you can afford it. Because this is just not it with this shirt. But it's just an idea of, you know, what you could wear to an interview, to the office. Next up. Now this outfit looks really nice in my head, but doesn't really show as nice in person. I thought this would kind of work together, but I feel like it makes me look like I'm pregnant. However, if you are pregnant and you're doing like a maternity party, I think this would be really cute because you could have like your little belly. Like a small belly, not a big belly. But yeah, I don't think it quite works the way I want it to work. The skirt, I really don't like it because it's so see-through. Okay, yes, I am wearing white underwear, but even if I was not wearing white underwear, it would still be visible. So you have to basically wear a slip skirt underneath. I do own one. I can run and put one on and then you can kind of see what it would look like. So this is what the skirt looks like now with the slip dress underneath. Slip skirt. I think this looks so much better now. But as you can see, kind of doesn't sit really nicely. I think maybe because of the fabric. But yeah, let me change this up and show you the top by itself with jeans. Okay, so the skirt, polyester and viscose, but it's super see-through. I think you can even see the hanger, right? The tag, sorry. So that's going to be a return. The top is really, really excellent quality. I know my bra is exposed. You have to either go braless or wear like a different type of bra, but it feels so soft. In fairness, this skirt did come with a matching top, but I didn't like it. That was quite ugly. So I just paired the top with some jeans, and this is the best way to wear it with, I don't know, some comfortable shoes, boots, and it'll be like cute with some accessories. I like it, but I'm not in love with it, and I think it's a bit trendy, the PEPLUM. I want to go for something that's a bit more long-lasting, has a bit more longevity. So it's going to be a return, but I do really love the feel of the fabric. Let's have a look at what the catch of construction is. I wonder what it is, because it is so soft. So it's made in Turkey. Okay, that's great. Okay, so it's mainly viscose and polyester. Maybe that's why. Maybe the majority viscose. Maybe that's why it's a bit more on the softer side. It's nice. Price-wise, I didn't tell you the prices. The skirt is £23. For me, not worth it because it's see-through. Nothing see-through is worth it. And then the top. Oh, can I find the tag? Okay, there it is. The top is £35. £36. I don't think it's going to get 36 wears. If I forgot to mention, the trousers were £33. But if you're going to wear them like 5 times a week, yeah, for or maybe not 5 times a week. If you're gonna wear them at least once a week, then I think they're worth it for maybe like a year. This is £22. It's not worth it. It's cheap. It doesn't feel nice. The thing with Zara, what I found is, especially when I do these hauls, and one of the reasons why I do these hauls, one, I'm not going into a Zara store. I'm not going. They're a mess most of the time, and stuff is just everywhere and I can never find stuff. That's why I shop online. But with Zara, you need to go through like 20, like if you go through 10 items, you maybe would like one. If you go through 20 items, you maybe would definitely love one and then question the other one. You need to like go through so many of the items because the quality kind of goes up and down. It can look great on the website and then you see it in person, it's like, what's going on here? Or sometimes it doesn't look that amazing on the website and then you get it in person and you're like, wow. Like I have pieces that I've had from Zara and you know, I'm still in love with them till this day. But there's other times I'm like, oh, I wish I didn't spend my money on this. But I don't like this dress, and in this haul I'm only going to keep that stripe on because that's the only one that I would know that I will wear multiple times. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a lovely day, and I will see you in the next haul soon.